Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. One of the very important concept when you are dealing with the strings is string split. So in this tutorial we will going to talk how to split these strings in Catalan Studio and what are the different splitting by use cases here. Let's say like I'm splitting by space, how to do that. Let's split by plus, minus, hyphen, underscore, all those things we are going to see in this tutorial. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also do watch other tutorials on the Catalan playlist. I hope you like them. So yeah, so I have taken one small test case here. So if you see my thing here, I have created one variable called str of string type. I have taken default values hello world here, and if you see here there is a space between hello and world. Okay, now I'll try to print that value first, then we'll see how we can handle this. So system dot out dot print here, and str is my string. So let me run this. Now you can see hello world is printed, right? So remember one thing, splitting means one big string you have and you are cutting into the half. So one big string will have multiple substrings here. So always remember, irrespective of the programming language you choose in any way, string split will always return the array of strings. In some other language, if they don't use arrays, they'll use list of strings. Okay, but it will return multiple strings. In order to handle that, you have arrays or the list, depends on the language. In case of Catalan here, we are using array of strings. Okay, so simple. Take this. This is how I declare arrays here. S and let me see str dot. If you just put dot and type s and s, if you just type s, you should be getting like this. Okay, split. Okay, now you can see that color got changed. That means that function is available. So here, if you see, my variable is hello space world, right? So let me split by the character w here. It's a very basic one. So whatever the character that you want to split by, just mention there. Okay, and let me, this is my str, right? So sys out means system dot out dot println. Now how many are there here? There were, once I split string by word here, w here, there were two strings. One is hello, other one is world, right? So that will be stored in string array. So it starts at 0th index, first one, then here only let me try to put s of 1. Okay, so if I execute this, what should be my output? Now you can see I have started executing here. Go to the console here. Now you can see hello and old, because the w will be done, right? Now I am splitting based on a character, right? Here I have the space, so I'll use that and I'll try to split based on the character, sorry, based on the space here. So I'll just simply use the space here. Okay, now I should get hello and world, right? So if you see here, got hello and world, right? Now let me change my value here. Instead of space, let me use something like this one. Okay, and if I try to give that value here and execute and see how the output is coming. Now you can see it is not splitted as we thought. Okay, so in this case, just put two backslashes, okay, in the beginning, and then execute this. Then if you see here in the output, now you can see it got splitted correctly, hello and world. So in this case we have to use two backslashes down, then the thing is underscore. If I use this, now split based on the underscore and execute this. Go to the console. Now you can see underscore got splitted properly, right? Now split based on the something like plus symbol. Okay, so let me use that plus. So I am covering every possible scenario, guys. Let me execute this. Go to the console. Now no character is there. So just go to the variables. Hello world space world. Okay, plus symbol is there. Okay, now just try to use that here. Now you can see it got splitted properly. So there could be few exceptions, guys, so that you need to try and see the output, then only will come to know. Okay, so yeah, these are my things. I showed everything. Now let's see one more thing. I have place here. Now I'm trying to split based on underscore and see what will happen. Okay, since that character won't be there, so now you can see I've started this. Now you can see it got failed because that character itself is not there, right? Array out of the bound exception because I don't have this, right? If I just remove this, what will happen? If I execute this, everything will be into the only the s of 0, right? Hello world, right? So this is the scenarios, guys. I hope you like it. You have to do some little bit of trial and error. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and there were lots of tutorials on the similar concept, guys, on Catalan. I have prepared close to 8 to 9 tutorials on Catalan Studio, how to pass JSON, how to get the value from UI element, and how to validate the title. All those scenarios we have prepared a separate videos on the Catalan for the beginners. So if you go to my playlist on Catalan and do watch all those videos. I hope you like them. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. And I hope you going to enjoy this. You'll try to get this solution. If you want any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you more on this.